This is Paul. Yes. I'm just looking at this email that I sent on February. Hang on just a second here. Yeah. February. I know it's here someplace. Yeah. Hang on. Maybe I did something to it. Yes. Could you get me the pro bono hours of every attorney in Washington State for the last, 10 years? Yeah. I'd just like to know how many of them have actually been doing anything. Oh. Now, it could be, okay, that attorneys just are too busy to help those that are less fortunate than themselves. Yeah. And I know the state of Washington says, well, we'd like you to do 30 hours a year. February 18th of 2018. Now it's January 29th of 2019. Yeah. And I'm just trying to get this. It's not really working very good. Yeah. Oh, look at a copy of what is the response a citizen should make when. October 24th of 2016. Yes. What is the response a citizen should make when just requested? Yes. Now, I sent this to Sheriff Rocky Miller. Yes. And Sheriff Simpson. Oh. Sheriff Castle. Sheriff Betty J. Coach G. Schwarzenberger. And Chief Justice Wiggins, Owens, Gonzalez, Gordon McLeod, Pooch, Mary you. You know, why don't you get me the actual pro bono hours of those in the Supreme Court of Washington State from the time that they got their actual right to practice law in the state to when they first got their district court judgeship, to when they became a superior court judge. Oh, now here's Homeland Security. Right. I made sure to email them. Could you get me the employees of the Department of Homeland Security? I did get one response from them that they don't enforce the civil rights of American citizens. I just need to know every employee of Homeland Security. Yes. Since they got started in 2003. Yes. Now, I said right here, yes. I did not want to violate my own right to due process. See, you wanted me to appear in court because you requested my presence in court, and I'm like, well, I'm happy to appear in court as long as it's docketed. But my thought was, if you're having court hearings where there is no actual docketing, yes, it would be against the law, wouldn't it, Judge? I mean, it'd be like God on the bench. Now, I sent this Thursday, September 26th. Oh, no, I got this at 1:20 p.m. on September 1st. Yes. Judge Porter has requested your presence in court Tuesday, September 6th of 2016 at 9 a.m. Yeah. To explain why you missed your Washington State health evaluation this week. If you fail to show up for court, he will issue a warrant. Oh, I understand you have no longer have cell phone minutes. Yes. Now, when you schedule a court hearing, and I get this on the 1st of September, a Thursday, a Friday would have been the 2nd, Saturday would have been the 3rd, Sunday would have been the 4th, and then Monday, see, it was 2 judicial days. Now, as I understand the court rules, you have to give every person at least 5 judicial days from the notice to the actual date of the court hearing. But you really just gave me 2 judicial days. What if I had wanted a different attorney? What if I had wanted to find some other counsel to represent me? What if, I wanted to reschedule a mental health evaluation and you decided you were going to teach me a lesson? Now, when you don't admit the evidence that I wasn't in Sequim, Washington, yes. Wasn't there that morning, I was on the bus. Yeah. And I wasn't there that afternoon, I was in this library. And then you just keep pushing me and pushing me and pushing me. Judge. See, there's no need to have a mental health evaluation. Yeah. When you have the evidence that I wasn't in the city of the alleged crime. Yes. And if you had just gotten the video camera surveillance footage, yes, you would have seen that I wasn't in Sequim, Washington. So your whole idea that I have to have a mental health evaluation, yes, without admitting any evidence that I was in that city, is absolute bullshit on the part of the judiciary. Judge, are you God? Now, I've had this problem because I responded on September 1st, yes, at 9:35 a.m. Could someone from the Army Criminal Investigators, the FBI, the Washington State Supreme Court explain the difference between illegal and unlawful? Yes. Now, I must have sent that to them that morning, and they responded that afternoon. Yes, using my email as a response. Now, on Thursday, is it illegal or unlawful to issue a protection order where there's no signature of the petitioner? Can you tell me if it's illegal or unlawful? Is it illegal or unlawful? Poop. Now, is it illegal or unlawful to issue a protection order that was not served or put in publication on the respondent? Do you actually have to attempt service? Is it illegal or unlawful? Then is it illegal or unlawful to arrest the respondent when there's no jurisdiction for the issuance of the protection order? Obviously, if there's no jurisdiction, then why the fuck did I get arrested? Is it illegal or unlawful to require a mental evaluation? Yes, from the respondent. Is it illegal or is it unlawful? Well, it seems to me it could be both. Did you want to look at the difference between illegal and unlawful? Because I thought, yes, that you would have to actually be in that city. Do you understand?